Alrighty, what's up, guys? Here for day 2. Okay. What am I gonna do? Gonna be another short stream, just doing some, like, whatever is on lead code, probably some more tree stuff, maybe a sliding window, not too sure. I'm gonna try to get notifications set up for when I'm live, because one of my friends said they just don't get notifications for the stream, but they do like videos and stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can get that set up in the Discord. Other related news, I'm gonna try. You get it, Eric? Interesting. Okay, maybe I'll just ask him. Anyways, I might have personalized notifications on. Okay, I'll ask. I'm not too sure. Also, what's up? Thanks for stopping by. I applied to 4 jobs today. I'm trying to get a referral for another one. So that's a little update on that. I'm going to be doing the Wells Fargo OA. I decided over the weekend, just because when I get home from work, I don't think I'm in the peak mindset of what I want to be in for taking something like an OA. So yeah, Saturday I'm going to take 2 OAs. With the Acuna one, which is I don't have any expectations for that. I think that's going to be hard as fuck, but whatever, I'll take it. And then Wells Fargo. So that's that. Other than that, still waiting for the parts for the embedded project to start. But I should probably try to find a different thing that I can do in the meanwhile. Maybe something smaller. Just for fun. So, might look into that this weekend. So, yeah, that's enough yapping. Let's do my little 1 to 2 problems, and then, yeah. I've been so cooked. We're doing a soft launch tomorrow. Holy fuck, Eric. Bro, but, just imagine, you get the return offer. Kind of set, brother. You're kind of set. I'll dial in. Dial in. They don't go under, I'm good. Bro, you're the lead architect, bro. Lead architect. Alright, let's do these 2. When the roots of 2 binary trees and subroot. Return true if there's a subtree of root with the same structure and node values of subroot, and false otherwise. Interesting, okay. Okay. So, root is always the bigger one, right? I guess not. So it's gonna have to be as long as they're equal, we keep traversing. And if it's ever true, what's up, John? We pretty much just need to find. We need to find the root. First goal is to find the root of subtree in root. And then as soon as we do that, then we just run, are they the same? John, I'm just gonna do it myself, John. New challenge, yeah, Sam. I've been a bit too like lax, I think. Like doing like a couple coding problems every other day or something like that. So junior year internship, time to actually log back in. So shockingly, because I'm already doing this shit. Just got a new hire and my intern is leaving in a couple weeks. He's also a rising junior. Damn, bro got Amazon as a sophomore. Stunting on me, bro. Stunting on my ass. No, I'm kidding. I got respect for that guy. Is he cracked? Cracked and jacked? Sorry, I gotta text somebody back. Is normal. Most people are. It's luck of getting the interview. Yeah. Ring, pick up the phone. Sorry. I just need to text my friend back. This is like awful timing. Okay. Films. Def. Because if we don't have a root, I think if we're at the end of the subroot, it's fine. But if we run out of root, oh, excuse me. Sorry. Oh. No? Is that trolling me? I think it's trolling me. Okay. Wait, no. I need like another thing. Probably the worst way to do this. Or actually, Also, trees are really important in Go because you can create tagged unions with interfaces that implement tree nodes. Oh, what the fuck? Also, why are you looking? I thought you already had like a full-time job, John. Why you been lead coding? Got booted like a month and a half ago? Oh, what the fuck? I guess you should always be lead coding. Holy fuck. That's insane. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Sucked ass. Wait, Sam, weren't you also looking for a new job? My team at AWS is chilling. I'm nice. Yeah, that's fair. At some point, it's all not super worth the money. Dude, an extra 6 figures though? Dude, an extra 6 figures is kind of nice though, no? An extra 6 figures? Look, I'm all for being a good guy, right? But an extra 6 figures? You know? Is that like internal revenue? What is iRev? I don't know that one. Kind of just mindlessly doing this. I actually just don't know if this is gonna be right. Do I believe this? Oh, we'll see. Right. Cool. Oh, not cool. What the fuck did I do wrong here? What the hell did I do wrong? So if If there's no root and there is a subroot, return false. Else if there is a root. Is this a false case actually? Oh, what the fuck am I doing, bro? This is left. Okay. Bro. Really hope that Cluely and the like would change the code, but I don't know. I've heard some companies are swapping to purely in-person ones, like flying out type shit. Or some are like giving you like a small repo, and then it's like implement this small feature to see like your like competency in that. But also I've heard like rumors for both. I think it's we have in-person interview rooms, and NYC that are always empty. Yeah. I mean, like, when everything's virtual, it's just like asking people to cheat, to be honest. Like, not even allowed to accuse candidates of cheating. Are you serious? See, like, that's insane, because now the incentive to cheat is just, like, so fucking high. Okay. Yeah, I knew it was those cases, or whatever. I don't know. Like, it's tough to think that, like, I could definitely lose that to a candidate that straight just cheated, because I won't cheat. And it's like, why am I doing this practice if all I'm doing is like going to eventually lose to a candidate that cheated? Like, it's fucked to think about, but like it is a thing. Anyways, given a binary search tree where all node values are unique, 2 nodes. So there's common ancestor between 2 nodes P and Q is the lowest node in the tree T such that P and Q are descendants. So P and Q are 3 and 8, then it's 5. If you're serious about programming and work on your skills, it won't matter in the long run. See, I hope so, and I like to think that, and that's why I don't cheat, and that's why I am a part of the grind. But like, I don't know, my job right now is like literally to fucking use Claude Code. Like, the company's like pushing to use Claude Code and like multi-agent stuff, and it's like, it'll do the work faster. Like, I don't know. I'm really struggling with it. Because like, yes, it's so much faster than me, and the output will just be better, and I can get more done. But it's like, I don't know. I have such little joy in that work, if I'm being like honest. Like, I love the people in my job, and that's the only thing that makes it good. But like, the actual work at what I'm doing right now is so like, just, I don't know, it's not what I wanted to do. Like, No, literally, Sam, I have the same thing. Like they're adding like how we use AI agents as like an evaluator, and that's like I don't know. It makes me sad, to be honest. It's like we're losing the art form. And that genuinely makes me sad. It makes me quite upset. Especially because I never had like a chance to be in industry that wasn't this one. I don't really know if that makes sense, but like I don't know, there have been many times where it's like I wish I could have been just a little bit older and came into this field just a little bit sooner. Because like my job experience has not known a world of like outside of AI. And like objectively, the world of AI is just like not fun. Yeah. No, that's getting increasingly like more aware, Sam. It's like the illusion is only real for like a personal project. Wasted so many weeks of time thinking that AI was moving faster just to find out if I did it myself. Yeah. I mean, like, at this company, I won't lie, a lot of it is like rewriting a lot of the same shit where it's like, look at this file and do a similar thing for like list views and stuff. But it's like, so it's like, yeah, it's faster, but it's like, once I'm done with it, who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I did nothing. It wasn't fun. Well, my team's intern projects are AI. Every one of my friends' shit is AI. Like everything. And not one of them is having fun now. You care though? No, John, I do care. But I'm like forced to use AI. So it's like, I don't care about the code that I make during a day. Code that I make. Because it's me just fucking babysitting Claude. Just being like, hey, implement this based on like a linear ticket. And then implements it, kind of doesn't really work. And then like, whatever. I like go in and fix like a bug or something, or I just tell Claude Code to fix it. I think the interns are happy that we treat them well. Yeah, no, I'm still relatively happy at the company. I love the people. Like, it's great. It's been a great experience. Like, it's web dev, so it's not really my love for programming, but like, I'm still glad I'm doing it. But it's I would be significantly more glad if I did it 3 years ago and like I didn't have to be using fucking Claude Code. Because I don't know, it's weird and it's not very fun. Anyways, how am I gonna do this one? So we need to find. So it's a binary search tree. Which means at every point we should be checking. So at any point, if they're both on the left, we need to go further down the left. If they're both on the right, we need to go further down the right. But if any point they're at the left and the right, then that's the highest answer. Is it a DFS? I don't think so. Fuck, okay. This is gonna be a statement all time. So while there is a root, and we're either going to go purely left or purely right. Wait, is this supposed to be a knot? Well, there's a root, and we're going to go either of those. Wait, does this make sense? If the root value is less than p, I think this is greater, and we would go left. Oh. What's up, J9? Bang! What you guys know about this big ass while loop, huh? It's good at doing problems like the Leaker problem you're doing right now, but it's really bad at. Yeah. No, I tend to agree with you, John, but the thing is, it is getting better. Like, that's the thing I've kind of come to terms with, is it is kind of just getting kind of really good. Kind of pretty good. Still not sustainable to do, like, things purely itself, and you'll always need an orchestrator. But it's getting pretty good. New models are pretty good. But yeah. It's getting better in the way of like a lot of like the menial tasks that's like at my work. Like it can just do them. Like there's no point in having like an intern. Like my job is useless at my job, for sure. Because I'm just using Claude. And they tell me to just use Claude. So it's like, well, I'm not gonna not do it. Because all the other interns are doing it, which means I would just have significantly less progress. There's one guy at the company, though, like another software engineer. I fuck with him so heavy because he knows his shit, and this is like really what he's into, is like learning and knowing. So I talk to him a lot. So I think he likes me. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for stopping by for day 2. Day 3 tomorrow, obviously. It's been 30 minutes, 10:40. I kind of got to get to sleep. Hope you all have a wonderful rest of your night. John, I hope the search goes well, buddy. Sam, wish you the best. J9, thank you for stopping by. Everybody, have a good night. Oh, shameless plug. If you guys know anybody that knows anybody that can refer me to literally any position, I'm going to be so shameless this season. It's unreal. I need to market myself, and I need referrals. All right. Good night, guys. Oh, shit, what's up, bud?